special helper, my son, Michael. Say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna be making my kid's special favorite. It's a 2-layer vanilla and strawberry cake. So here we go. It's gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna be using boxed cake, ready-made, prepackaged. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open this. Need a knife, hold on. You ready, Michael?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So go ahead and pour this in. Again. Okay. It's a pretty simple, easy recipe. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add 1 cup of water. Michael, go ahead and pour that. Oops, it's okay. Perfect, awesome. Okay, and then the next is gonna be a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Again, I'm just following the boxed recipe. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add 3 eggs. Perfect. Michael, you're awesome at that, oh my gosh. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix this all up. And we're gonna mix this. You could do this with a hand mixer, or you can do it by hand. And you're gonna do this for 2 minutes. Keep mixing, Michael. I know how fun it is to bake with your kids. It's such an amazing pastime, especially when they're on their spring break and Easter's coming. Woo, you got it messy. It's okay, keep on mixing. Set your temperature and preheat it for 350. All right, so this looks perfect. We're gonna go ahead and set this aside. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna line this with parchment paper. This allows us to remove the cake and reuse the same pan again for the next cake. If you have 2 of the same size pans, wonderful. We already preheated the oven at 350. Place it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Next, we're gonna go ahead and chop our strawberries. We're gonna go ahead and fill these strawberries inside and on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice them large slices. And these are gonna be for the top, and I'm gonna half them for the centers. Now we're gonna go ahead and make our whipping cream. We're gonna have 3 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So our cakes are done. The first cake, that is the vanilla cake, didn't come out perfect. That's okay. We're gonna go ahead and cover all that up. The pink strawberry cake is gonna be on top because it came out so perfect. So it really doesn't matter why, because we're gonna go ahead and cut this cake to fit it in our platter. And you can use a plate to size. You could put the plate on top, or you can find any type of thing that will cut that cake in the size that you're looking for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place both of these cakes on top of each other. Now carefully detach this from your parchment paper. And of course you have to do this when the cake is completely cooled off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and size this to my liking, and I'm gonna cut them at the same time. Okay, we went ahead and we placed our whipping cream to chill in the freezer for about 10 minutes until we went ahead and we could cut this out. So you're gonna be gently taking your whipping cream out and placing it in a different bowl, very carefully, about half of it. And then we're gonna go ahead and place our half strawberries right into this whipping cream. Oh my goodness, doesn't this look amazing? Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and fold the strawberries in this whipping cream very gently. And I'm not sure if the details show, but this whipping cream has a hint of pink in it. All right, so what you're gonna do is gonna spread this all over the center of your first layer. You're gonna try to get this as even as possible. Okay, so now our cake already looks so cute. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna clean all these edges up later. Now we're gonna go ahead and place the top layer right on top.
Thank you for watching Galore Flavors. If you'd like, click down below to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes yet to come. You could also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys next time.